Thinking about renovating your home before selling, but not sure what's actually worth the money? Hi, I'm Ryan of Blue Coast Realty, and here in Sarnia, Ontario. And if you're wondering which renovations truly add value in our local market, well, this video is for you. Let's start with the kitchen. You don't need a full remodel. A few key upgrades like new countertops, cabinet hardware, and stainless steel appliances can give your home a modern feel without blowing that budget out of the water. Bathrooms are next. A fresh vanity, new tile, and an updated fixture can go a long way. And with Sarnia buyers, keep it clean, functional, and neutral. Now, don't underestimate curb appeal. Things like new front door, fresh landscaping, and exterior lighting can help make a great first impression and often give you the biggest return on your dollar. Because remember, this is people's first impression on your home. Finishing the basement. That's a smart move, especially if you add usable space like home office, family room, or even a legal rental suite. Just avoid over customizing. Energy efficient upgrades are also gaining traction. New windows, better insulation, and a high efficiency HVAC system not only save money, but make your home more attractive to buyers who care about those monthly costs. And one quick fix that goes a long way, flooring. Sarnia buyers love consistent, updated flooring. Think vinyl plank or laminate in those neutral tones, not something way out there because people aren't gonna like it. The key in the Sarnia market is to make it practical, well-executed improvements that align with your home's value, not to over-renovate. The key in this market is to make it practical, well-executed improvements that align with your home's value, the neighborhood, not to over-renovate the home. If you're thinking of selling and not sure what's worth the investment, reach out to Blue Coast Realty. We're here to help you prioritize the right updates for your maximum return and guide you through every step of the sale.